Hello and welcome back to DaveTech YouTube channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to turn on or turn off your location services with the Onn TV. Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video. So if you have your Onn TV set up and you're on your home screen just like I am, what you're going to do is that you're going to go to quick settings. So click on quick settings and you see this toggle appear. Now you're going to move on to click to all settings. Under all settings, navigate down to privacy, and when you're privacy, just click on it and this brings up location. Location is the first option there. If you click on location, you're going to have access to alter it. So you could use Wi-Fi to estimate location. That's currently on, so your location services are on. Alternatively, you could just scrub to the right and click on off. If you click on off right here, like I just did, your location services are turned off and now you are no longer visible. So I'm turning one back on. I want to show you the scanning option. So now that my location services are on, you could see with this toggle down here, it says the scanning always available. So you let Google's location services and other apps scan for networks even when Wi-Fi is turned off. So that's that. You see how to on, how to off the location, and you see the apps which have recently used the location services. Those are those apps right down here. So if you found that insightful, if you found it informative, educational, if it was able to solve a problem for you, I'll show you how to on location services, which is very important. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.